In this video, we will discuss the top 5 ways to earn money and monetize your directory website built with Listing Pro. Number 1 is pricing plans, also known as membership packages, which allow you to generate automated monthly or annual recurring revenue by offering various different plans. From the user dashboard, the listing owner can easily change the membership plan. With few clicks, they can choose to upgrade or downgrade to any pricing plan. For more information on how to create all the different kinds of plans, please refer to our detailed article on this topic. It covers everything from basics on how to pick different styles for your plans to how to create category-based pricing plans with auto-recurring payments. Number 2 is promoted listings, also known as the sponsored listings. Users create and manage their own pay-per-click or pay-per-day ad campaigns from their user dashboard. Each promoted listing gets an ad tag to differentiate from organic listings, and the ad tag text can be changed. When users create a pay-per-click (PPC) or pay-per-day (PPD) ad campaign from their dashboard, they have 3 different spots to choose from. Here's an example of how the promoted listings are displayed when Spotlight is selected to run an ads campaign. Here's an example of top of search ads. Here's an example of sidebar ads. Number 3 is paid claim, which means that a user needs to pay to claim an existing listing to take ownership of their listing on your directory website. During the paid claim process, the user can choose a suitable pricing plan. Then fill out and submit a claim request form. Once the claim is verified and approved, the listing ownership is transferred to the new owner and it receives a claimed badge, which helps businesses distinguish their listing from the other businesses. Number 4 is Google Adsense. Listing Pro has dedicated ad space that displays Google Ads, and you can drop more ads throughout the directory to increase your revenue. Here's an example of a Google ad on the home page. Google ad on the search result page. Google ad in the sidebar of the search result page. Google ad in the main body of the listing details page. And also in the sidebar of the listing details page. But these are just a few prime examples where you can display the Google ads. Number 5 is the simple appointment booking included with the theme that can be offered as part of a special pricing plan. Additionally, users who are interested in building a directory for doctors and hospitals can consider MedPro for more advanced healthcare-specific features. MedPro comes with an advanced appointment scheduling system that allows commission per booking. With a built-in digital wallet, users can track all the transactions, including commissions, earnings, and payouts. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified.